And staying with Meghalaya, well, the state is all set to flung open the doors of places of worship from tomorrow. This comes after a series of meetings and due consultations with all the stakeholders, with revisited special operating procedures being kept in place. A visit to most of the places revealed that they are all set to reopen, and importance is being laid on strictly implementing the SOPs.
I have to say this with a lot of concern. We welcome the idea, no doubt. But at the same time, there is an apprehension among the people that, see what happened in Kerala. After the Onam was there, the cases have risen up. Of course, God forbid that it should not happen here in Meghalaya. So through your medium, I would like to request all the Muqtadis or all the followers to the masjid, when they come, they should maintain the protocol as provided by the government.
शाम ये दिएगा जो आज 6-7 माह हो गया मंदिर तो कंप्लीट बंद है, सब आदमी से दिक्कत होगा, आर्थिक बहुत माने खराब हो गया, इसलिए कल खुला दिएगा तो सब आदमी को अच्छा लगेगा, हम पुजारी हमारा भी अच्छा लगेगा। कितना भक्त है यहाँ पर, कोई भक्त यहाँ पर बाती जलाने नहीं आना पड़ेगा, तो मंदिर घूमेगा आदमी, सब डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा।
Well, we have been preparing for the reopening of the places of worship or churches, and the shops are in place.
खुलेगा कल से खुलेगा। तो आज क्या साफ सफाई हो रहा है?
आज साफ सफाई हो रहा है, मास्क लगाना, सैनिटाइजर करना और थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रख के बात करना,
ज़्यादा भीड़ भाड़ नहीं करना।
ज़्यादा भीड़ भाड़ नहीं।
Meanwhile, the public, although have welcomed the decision, but are also worried about the health safety.
I'm happy that the place of worship will be opening tomorrow, and it is desired by us and desired by the people of Meghalaya, and I hope that the protocols and the guidelines will be strictly followed in order to further contain the spread of COVID.
First of all, I believe when the administration took this decision, they have considered so many things which are the merit and demerit of opening, and I believe this will be a trial basis of opening it, and citizens and worshippers should be cautious while attending, and leaders and all should follow strictly the protocol, and especially people should maintain the self-distance, wearing the mask.
See, regarding the opening of the church, I would like to prefer it's better to open for the church, because if people can go to the markets, if they can go to buy, anyway they can go, but why not the church? Okay, but the only thing, we have to follow the government's protocol. Whatever the government protocol has given, so we have to follow regarding that.
It may be mentioned that in June 2, the state had announced that it would reopen religious places, but the decision was revoked in view of the steady rise in COVID-19 cases.
After a gap of 6 months, the places of worship in Meghalaya is finally reopening tomorrow. Although people are happy about it, but concerns have been raised about the health protocols. The authorities are maintaining that all the protocols will be put into place because health is of prime importance. With camera person Francis Marvin Young, this is Roshan Rai in Shillong for Northeast Live.